Introducing Dot from Wonder Workshop. Dot is the brains of a robot. It's the best way for kids to learn coding and robotics with hands-on play. Right out of the box, Dot is ready to play, no assembly required. Once you connect to our Wonder or Blockly apps, you can make hundreds of games using the built-in tutorial challenges. Like making a light sword, or a fun magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Wonder is easy to learn because we include hundreds of preloaded missions that teach coding in an easy, fun way.
Yippee!
You can save your games and take Dot anywhere without your smartphone or tablet. Turn Dot into a hot potato and go outside. With our Wonder app, Dot can be any gadget or game a child can imagine. Dot is even more fun with our Dash robot. With our Blockly app, your kids will invent endless ways to play with the two. Dot is the best introduction to coding and robotics with hands-on play.
Way to go!
The Wonder app is available on phones and tablets, and Blockly is available on tablets.
Hi.
For more information, visit makewonder.com.
Welcome to Jimu, where you can build and program smart robots and share them with your friends. Follow the Jimu app's cool 3D instructions to build Buzzbot, and then take him apart and build Muttbot, or any robot in Jimu world. He moves just like a human, and you control him. Program his movements in the Jimu app and get smarter as you code. Create your own Jimu world. Smart robots, smarter kids.
Welcome to the world of Jimu robots from UBTECH, an interactive robotic building block system that lets you build, program, and then share your own robots with the Jimu community. Jimu robot kits come with everything you need to build your robot, including the free Jimu robot app. The easy-to-follow animated instructions make assembly fun. Your robot's pieces simply snap together by hand.
Should we make a walk?
No tools required.
Whoa!
You can build any of the pre-designed models in the kit, or use the interchangeable parts to create your very own robot, and program it to do just about anything. Program custom movements or select a series of pre-programmed actions and watch your robot perform them.
Look at that! Whoa, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So cool.
Jimu Robot is a great way for kids to have fun while learning STEM curriculum. Using the app, you can share your robot with the Jimu Robot community, where other Jimu Robot inventors around the world can view and be inspired by your robot. Jimu Robot, make your imagination move.